Minta kalai pau terik wagas kebalang hak jalan yang ba Shlong wat kiwe diocese hak jela ki kemau buram it kerpang ya kalingku singi klat ba arpsan Reverend Archbishop D Rosario hak ni jing kemau buram ladon da kemas kerpang hak Cathedral Parish hak Porsche hosting step bala minta do Reverend Archbishop Dominic Jala kum kongsan harigat kejingan dan lang Bishop Victor Lingdo ke Jawai Diocese ufada Hilarius Lamari Waika General ke Jawai Diocese Father John Madur Waika General ke Shillong Archdiocese Father Pascal Lingdo Parish Priest ke Laim Kra kiwe ke Lingdo babun na keleng ki parish ki Jakasa ba jaka puli prepare harigat Kirunium Sister Kamtam ki Sister ke Jinga Slok Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco kiberi kimati jong Archbishop Hubert ke baula seng ya kini ke Jinga Slok ha ke lai pawai tarik benai me usem kat kendai spa prapulai ha Maduna Convent of Shillong batang na ki prangut bat menta kani kejinga slok kala nang roy nang par habon ki benta ki jaka ban pinsa priang ya kaktin ublei lingba ki kam babon la kadei ki kam mensiam ka puli puthi bat kiwe ki kam sakri benriu kindiat chapang Archbishop Hubert la kha yu ha ka apwei trek banai baar usnem khat khandai spa khat khandai la pengentang lingdo yu ha ka khat riu trek banai April usnem khat khandai spa sa punyo Hausem kat kendai spa driu pesau hadu kat kendai spa driu kendai lalang kum bishop ka di Bergar nangta kum bishop ka Shillong nadu usnam kat kendai spa driu kendai hadu usnam kat kendai spa kendai pesau bar ula khatno hagalai photerik August usnam kat kendai spa kendai pesau kum Archbishop ka Shillong kata hagagrata banyo pesan snem bar ulong nong syarai rat ba ban penroi ya kejinget ke balang hakeleng kathan chatai lamingi hadin kemas bakhot na keleng sisa VSDB ki khna puli Boro ar kiling dok san kelak pelong ru yang jingdoi kerpang hari jakabo yang basa ni jakatep Archbishop Hubert.
Dear brothers and sisters who have come together for this very memorable occasion, we gather here in gratitude. We gather here also in a spirit of renewed commitment to what God had entrusted to Archbishop Hubert and what Archbishop Hubert also entrusted to us through his mission, through his ministry and through his life and even through his passing away from our midst. Some of us present here, priests, have been ordained priests by him or in his time, and we owe the gift of the Spirit and the gift of priesthood to him and to the Spirit who worked through him. Our sisters present here, many of them are people who have joined this mission of the church as religious because of his inspiration, and also in his time they were able to undertake this important step in their life, inheriting from him also that enthusiasm for the God's kingdom. Archbishop Hubert came to Northeast India at a time when also the Indian government was, so to say, allergic to the presence of foreigners, especially foreign missionaries. And therefore, God designed that, as we heard in the beginning, this young priest, Hubert de Rosario, who was already designated to very important positions, first Indian to do a number of things. He was sent across here, one of the first ones, therefore, even if he had not really worked here to be part of this church, in order to carry forward an important legacy that had been received by this, our church, Northeast India region as well. I use the word the legacy that had been received. The first missionaries, Catholic missionaries who came here, were given this gift of this region. And as a legacy from God, this is God's gift. And this is where God has planted you. And this is where God wanted you to see that fruitfulness of the gospel will be seen. In the life and ministry of Archbishop Hubert, our church here in Northeast India had to face many serious problems. One of them was the expulsion of foreign missionaries. Some of them were able to come to what then became Meghalaya in 1972. Many of them had to go somewhere else. Many of them went to other parts of the world to become missionaries and to die there. And that time was a very testing time. How to carry on to work in the church now with suddenly so many people who were pillars of the church in different places, particularly in the plains of Assam and even in some parts of other parts of the hills. There was again the challenge that was placed before him to realize that theme of his, the kingdom come. We thank God that through his instrumentality we were able to have many more people coming and joining hands and being part of the work, the mission that we have here now. If our church had continued to grow during those testing times, it is because of people like him and others who generously came forward in order to share this good news with our people. So we need the strength of Jesus, we need this power of the Spirit. We need also the inspiration that we draw from those who have gone before us. And today we look to Archbishop Hubert Rosario for this inspiration that we need in order to go ahead.